Hello students, today we are discussing about the syllabus of chemistry portion for 11th standard and the way of writing your answers and way of presenting your answers are very important for 11th standard. So in the first case you should note that in 11th standard chemistry is divided into three fragments. One is the physical chemistry, the other one is organic chemistry, and the other one is inorganic chemistry. So physical chemistry is comprising of many chapters to be discussed. That is, first is you find it a basic concept of chemistry is there. Second is atomic structure. Third is chemical bonding. Then you have got redox reactions to be done, gaseous states to be done. So then you have gaseous states, then you have chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, okay, and chemical thermodynamics is there. So the whole as a whole, when you talk about this chemistry portion for the 11th standard in physical chemistry, it comprises of so many chapters. So that is why you find it out, physical chemistry becomes very vast in 11th standard. 32 marks is to be covered from this. Total 32 marks will be covered from physical chemistry, and when you cover 32 marks, then you see in the case of then we go to organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is having hydrocarbons, which is not the first chapter, which is actually a basic concept of chemistry. In organic is also there, okay, and that is basically represented introduction to organic compounds, where you will find it out mechanisms. Then you've got isomerisms, you've got nomenclatures, you've got hydrocarbon mechanisms, you've got lots and lots of things. Analytical chemistries are there, okay. So you have all those chemistry that is being pertained for the case of 12th standard, 11th standard in organic chemistry. Then you've got hydrocarbon full, alkane, alkene, alkynes. Then you've got aromatic hydrocarbon in the case of benzene, okay. You have environmental chemistry, that does not have any question coming for 11th standard, but it comprises of 23 marks, okay. Then you have got, that means 23 and 32, that becomes 55 marks. And the next is what? Another one is what? Basically inorganic chemistry. That inorganic chemistry is what? Comprising of S block elements, periodic table, and you have got P block elements to be discussed. So this is having 12 marks of questions, okay. The pattern of question is this way, that you will have 5 marks of objective, 5 marks of reasonings, okay. Then you have got 5 marks of true and false, and 5 marks of match the following. So that is 20 marks has been covered like this way, and the rest 50 marks will be having proposition of these 32, 15 and 23 marks, as I have spoken to you. 32 for physical, 15 for inorganic, and 23 for organic chemistry, okay. And you have got, in this case, you have got questions related to 2 marks, okay. This 20 marks which I have told you previously was compulsory, and then you have got optional sections, that is comprising of 2 marks, you have got 3 marks, and you have got 5 marks questions coming up, okay. You've got in 2 marks questions, you will be having 2 options, either the two options, only 2 options, okay. There will be around 7 questions, and you've got 2 marks, two options over there, only 2 options over there, either of the 2. And in 3 marks questions also, you have got 2 options over here, okay. And in 5 marks questions, you've got all 5 marks questions. There will be 3 5 marks questions, and that 5 marks questions, 3 5 marks questions will be having, each 3 questions will be having 1 options left out over here. That means what? 5 marks question will have all options, either of the 2 you have to do it, but in 3 marks you will have 2 options, and 2 marks you will have one option. This is the syllabus imprint, blueprint of it, the syllabus as well as the way of writing your examinations answers as well as question paper discussed.